Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing what I ate in a week breakfast edition. So this is the reason why I haven't been filming or uploading content. I've been busy trying to film this. So the first thing I'm gonna make is an avocado, lettuce, tomato and egg breakfast sandwich. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the egg to boil. I let it boil for about 10 minutes. I like egg on the not runnier side. I'm not an egg person, but when I am serving eggs I like it more on the side where it's easy to smash the egg into the bread. I don't know. And now I'm just mashing the avocado. I'm not gonna add any salt or anything because the salt is going to go on the egg, and this is going to be like the mayo in your sandwich. So the avocado is going to replace the mayo. I'm just going to lightly layer it on and make sure that each side of the bread has layer of avocado. I just forgot its name. Let me know in the comment box down below what is your favorite breakfast sandwich, and also let me know what is your favorite breakfast or morning beverage. I love iced coffee, so let me know whether it is iced coffee, latte, matcha, tea, whatever it is. Let me know. Let us engage in the comment section. So we have the lettuce and the tomatoes, and now the eggs are done, and we are going to cut it and add some salt on the egg, and I'm gonna try to smash the egg into the sandwich. Add my salt now, and then yeah, it's simple. This is probably the healthiest breakfast this week, and sometimes once in a while you need something healthy. That's all I'm saying. And I'm just gonna go ahead and smash it into the entire sandwich. I think now I'm watching this some cheese, not like melted grilled cheese, just some grated cheese on top would have done really good with this sandwich. Add some saltiness to it as well. So that was Thursday. Friday I'm just having some milk and Cheerios. That's basically it. Have the first bite, guys. So that was it. On Saturday now I did banana pancakes, and I had some frozen banana that I thawed out beforehand, and I'm just gonna add some mashed banana and then add my other ingredients to it. I have some cinnamon, some baking soda, some salt, and some oats here, and sugar as well. Just gonna mix that all in and then add the flour after. Add the water, and I'm using my mini waffle maker, and I'm just doing some iced coffee as well. I'm just putting the kettle on and making some iced coffee. I love iced coffee, so you might be seeing this in 1 or 2 breakfasts. And this is how I like to do my iced coffee. Add the milk and the ice, and then froth the coffee and add it onto it. For some reason this looks so good. So these are the waffles. They didn't came out the best, but they were delicious. Definitely delicious. So here's my breakfast for August the 16th, Saturday. So on Sunday I just went ahead and had some Cheerios again. Not the healthiest but the quickest breakfast. Here's your bite, guys. Alright, that was on Sunday's breakfast. On Monday I had a grilled cheese with pickle sandwich, grilled cheese sandwich, and this was Monday night because I didn't get the time to film Monday morning. So some of them are nighttime and you would know when it's nighttime. So I had some peppermint tea with honey and some grilled sandwich with pickle, and this was Monday night. Tuesday night I did plantain and bread with I think the same peppermint tea, but I added some milk to it. Yeah, pretty simple. Because I didn't get to do breakfast for those 2 days, I decided to show you guys dinner, like a simple dinner, and I filled up to the top. And then this is how the plantains are looking. I love plantains, and this is my dinner. So now this is Wednesday morning, the 20th, and I have some plantains and I'm just having some iced coffee. Same old. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let me know if you want to see more breakfast edition what I eat in a day. I'll see you guys in the next one, and then bye.